Nik the Booksmith. Welcome back to my channel, and this is just a quick little video to give some information about the newest course that is up on Teachable as of today. And this is the 1879 Florence book cover course. And some of you that have been watching my YouTube channel for a while probably remember last fall when we did, when I showcased the 1902 Philadelphia, the 1824 Paris, and the 1879 Florence. Well, finally, 6 months later, I finally got done with this trio of book cover courses. And so this is the last of that series, that 3 series, and this one deals with like hand marbled Italian paper and just this classic book cover style that you see all over everywhere, especially if you are into old books, if you are into antiquity as it is in the book world, you see this style of book cover. So let me tell you a little bit about the course. We are not binding pages. This is just the book cover course, just like the other two, the 1902 and the 1824. So we will be creating this book cover, and you will get with the course this graphic to print out so that you can make this exact cover if you want. This is a reproduction of some very old hand marbled Italian paper, and so it is on a graphic so that you can print it out and use it if you don't have your own hand marbled paper. On the spine you will see this little graphic here, this little painting inside this little frame. This graphic also comes with the class so that you can make, like I said, this exact cover. So we will make this whole cover beginning to end. But another thing that we are going to do is we're going to discuss variations of this cover, because you don't have to use the printout, you don't have to use hand marbled Italian paper, you can use other papers as well. This is also an Italian paper. Of course it's not marbled, but it is a decorative paper and it's gorgeous. And so we talk about this cover variation, and then we talk about this cover variation, and this is actually scrapbook paper, and in the course I tell you where I got it and what it is and all that jazz. And so we also talk about this one, and then we also do talk about this one. And so this is another variation of the same style, just some differences, but we talk about exactly what those differences are so that you can adapt this class to making an endless variety of this classic style book cover. Okay, all right guys, thanks for stopping by and checking out the information for the course. Like I said, we're only making the covers, we are not binding the pages. So, but I did finish up these 3 books, and the binding method that I used is the hollow back binding method, which is another course that's also available on Teachable. The description and the links and all that jazz will be in the box right below this video if you want to check it out. And yeah. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be coming out with a real fun DIY video here, hopefully today, if not in the morning. And I will catch you guys real soon. Bye, guys.